Hi, Luke. Yay! Yay! What a big boy you are. I can't believe it. I feel like you just started learning that yesterday. What a big boy you are. You're on the move. You coming to say hi to Mama? Oh, we found a piece of food that was stuck to us. Hi. Hi, my cutie patootie. So we're crawling now. We're not professional crawlers just yet, but we're getting around. Whoa, look at that. Look at you go. What a big boy. Hi, my loves. Hi, my cutie patootie. Whoa, you got Mama. Oh, what a big boy. Let's get hugs. Let's get hugs.